Hey y'all, it's Tara. Welcome back to my channel. Today I just have a quick little video for y'all, a quick-ish video. I'm gonna rave about Madam Glam's gel polish remover. These are the ingredients on the back. As always, it's vegan, cruelty-free, 21 free, palm oil free, HEMA-free. Y'all know how Madam Glam be doing it. All right, so here's the story behind this product. Now, I have seen this product. Actually, the first time I think I saw this product was a few years ago, and I was like, "Ooh, what is this? Is this just gonna like melt your finger off?" Like I saw someone using it. I don't know, like some random Facebook reel or whatever the hell they're called these days, and I was like, "Ooh, that looks dangerous." Okay. G Money gave me a bottle of this. It was her bottle. She doesn't use it, so she was like, "Here, have it, try it out." But because I was so traumatized by that first video that I saw, I was like, "I ain't using this, honey." I have used this 3 times now. The first time I used it on Nana, I just used it on one nail just to like, I don't know, try it out. Nana's my guinea pig. I was like, if it's going to burn somebody's finger off, let it be Nana's and not mine, honey. And then I used it on myself. Okay, stay tuned to the very end of this video because you'll see my own personal experience with this product. But what I did was, the last time I did Nana's Nubs, oh, and by the way, save 30% at madamglam.com using code BLL30 because y'all are going to need this product. So how do you use it? How do you use it? You're going to file off your top coat. Again, we're removing gel product, not acrylic. It is a very, very thickums product, like very thickums. So I have 2 nails right here that I'm going to show y'all what I did to old Nana here. So her middle nail, I just basically, I don't know, sort of painted on a layer of this stuff. Baby, this stuff starts to work almost immediately, okay? And yeah, just you'll see. And then on her index nail, I globbed it on. I was like, all right, let's really get this stuff on here. Within seconds, I mean, look at her middle nail already. It's wild. It is crazy pants. So here's the little time lapse, all right? So here we go. Here we go. It's crazy. What you do is you put this stuff on and you let it sit for 5 minutes. This stuff is like, and again, y'all can listen to me talk and you can watch what's happening on her nails. Keep in mind, her middle nail, much, much thinner coat than her index nail. This stuff is perfect for me because on my right hand, on my dominant hand, I do not file off my product. Only because I don't feel comfortable enough using my e-file. Look at this stuff. I don't feel comfortable enough using my e-file with my left hand. So typically I soak off the product on my dominant hand. Look at this. All right, so this was the really thin coat, right? It's sort of, it's chipping off. I mean, it's coming off very easily, but it is sort of like chippy, has like a little chippiness to it. Y'all can see it sort of pinging off right there. And then over here where I really globbed it on, honey, it is sliding off. This stuff is so amazing. I cannot even tell you. All right, full disclosure, her middle nail really doesn't have that much rubber base underneath her color because I always apply a rubber base when I do Nana Snubs. Her index nail that I'm working on right now does have a thicker coat of rubber base. So this product just on, round number 1 did not remove much of her rubber base at all. So this is what was left over. I'm just going to take a little buffer and just sort of remove a little bit of the leftover stuff here. And then I'm going to go back in with the second coat and really sort of try to glob it on. Madam Glam, if you are listening, Madam Glam, if you are out there, please, please, please offer this product in a tub, a vat. a jar, actually. I would love, because y'all did hear our pleas to bring us y'all's builder gels in a jar. I would love to have this in a jar because the product is really thick, like a builder gel. It's hard to sort of get out of the bottle. Like, I'm never gonna use up all of this product because most of it is like stuck to the sides, and y'all know what I'm talking about. Like, it's hard to sort of like get in there with your brush. And the brush also gets big and fluffy, and it's hard to sort of isolate, where you want to put the product without getting it on where you don't want to put the product. Y'all, look at this. Look at that. Watch this. You see that? Look. Real time, y'all. Real time. I mean, I do have this sped up because it's a time lapse. So this is coat number 2. I cannot stop. Nana and I were like, what? This is so freaky. This shit is so wild. It does, I don't want to say it has a feeling to it. You can tell it's working. There's no like irritation. It doesn't burn. It doesn't sting. Hang on. Let me rewind that. It did actually sting me just a little bit, but it wasn't the product itself. Look at this. Look at this stuff. Like, Nana and I were like, what? This is the freakiest stuff we've ever seen. And you can see here on coat number 2, pardon me, I'm over here burping, it's going to take off quite a bit of her rubber base coat on her index nail. Okay, so the reason that it sort of stung me just a little bit, it wasn't the product, it was where, like, I actually accidentally got it on my skins. Y'all probably know I have psoriasis, and I had a plaque that I sort of chewed off. So I had a little bit of like a raw piece on my sidewall. On my ring nail, or on my ring finger, look at this stuff. It's like, what? This is alien stuff, y'all. This is like, I don't know. This is science. I don't know what it is. If y'all go back to the beginning of the video where I showed y'all the label, you can pause that. You can see what the hell is in this. I trust Madam Glam's products. I have a relationship with Madam Glam. I've had one for years. I trust their products. So even though I have seen this type of product out in the marketplace, several years ago, I was like, hell no, I ain't trying that. But if Madam Glam is going to release a product, and I don't know how long their product has been out there on the market, I don't know. But I was so freaked out by this and so in love with this, and it works so phenomenally well. And this is her thumb again. The product basically lifted her gel polish away from her rubber base coat. So she still has tons of rubber base there on her thumb. Now, I could have gone back in with the second coat. Look how beautiful this is. First of all, this is like giving me like swaths of fabric or something. I don't know. I don't know, y'all. It's freaky, but you have to have it. All right, so here's the deal. It did sort of sting my skin only because I had like raw skin there. So if you have like a hangnail or a paper cut or psoriasis like I do, and you chew your skin off, no irritation, no redness, like nothing like that. It basically, oh, hey Snoop, come on through with the alcohol. Yeah, I'm just going to wipe off her nails. Okay, so it basically was just like, getting a little bit of acetone, in a little cut or something. It wasn't like, oh, my finger's falling off, or, oh, my finger is rotten off, or something like that. It was just like, ooh, that kind of stings. But, oh, here's my experience. Y'all, I applied this while I was watching a YouTube video of this comedian named Josh Johnson. He looked very sort of, I don't know, concerned with what was happening. Look at this stuff. I cannot get over it. Y'all, save 30%, madamglam.com, using my code BLL30. This is something y'all have to have in your arsenal if you want an alternative to soaking off your gel products. All right, that's going to do it for me. Thank y'all so much for watching. I love y'all, and I will see y'all in my next one. Bye.